ready for a truly authentic Oaxacan experience? Me too. That's why today we're stopping by Quetzal Authentic Mexican Cuisine. Silver and Gerardo Dominguez have done an excellent job of bringing the traditional flavors of Oaxaca right here to Hot Springs. And Abby Hernandez is going to walk us through how Chef Rocky creates the eye-popping Molcajete Oaxaqueño. Let's check it out.
FeastMode!
Hi, my name is Abby.
My name is Silver.
Hey, my name is Gerardo.
And welcome to Quetzal Authentic Mexican Cuisine. Today, our chef Rocky will be showing you how he makes our famous Molcajete Oaxaqueño. This plate has a variety of flavors served in a molcajete, which is a traditional Mexican bowl. First, he grills the chicken, steak, and chorizo. Rocky then mixes vegetables with the chorizo to release its flavors. During this process, the molcajete is put on the stove to heat up. Then he adds cactus, shrimp, and more vegetables. Then he grills authentic Mexican cheese. Once everything is complete, he then assembles the bowl. He adds salsa verde, fresh radish, and avocado. And there you have it, the Molcajete Oaxaqueño from Quetzal Authentic Mexican Cuisine.
FeastMode!